Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing great. This is Dr. Aksa Kamal. This vlog is very interesting. Usually I make videos about dental or medical related topics, healthy lifestyle, skincare, activities for children, healthy recipes and such related topics. But in this video, I will talk about shifting or traveling to UAE or United Arab Emirates. I've been living in UAE for many years now, and I have experienced different things throughout these years. I will share my suggestions, reviews, and opinions based on my experiences. So if you're planning to shift to UAE or if you're planning to travel to UAE, then make sure to watch this video till the end. I will start with the weather. Normally, it is assumed that UAE has hot weather throughout the year. Well, it is not correct. They do have winters in UAE. In fact, the evenings are very cold from November till February. For the rest of the months, yes, it is hot. But you only feel hot when you're outside, which is very less. Other than that, every place in UAE is air conditioned. The malls, offices, restaurants, you actually feel cold when you're indoor. They are very good in maintaining high quality air conditioning that is highly appreciated. My second point is about what to pack if you're visiting UAE. Well, in my opinion, just pack normal but appropriate, decent clothes for both summer and winter. A light jacket will be a very good idea if you're traveling in winter, and a comfortable pair of shoes will be very handy. Also, do know that everything and every type of brand is available in UAE. There are different discount centers as well that are amazing. Literally everything is available over here in the different price range. So even if you don't bring anything at all, you'll still be fine because clothes, shoes, accessories, necessities, everything is available in UAE very easily. The third point that I will discuss is about food. Honestly, it is an amazing place to eat. You can eat anything you like over here. It is not only that only Arabic food is available over here. UAE is a multinationality place and food from almost all parts of the world is available. And it is well known for its taste. Food is not an issue. It is very easy to order even late at night. The fourth and the most important point to discuss is the transport. Transport in UAE is good. Taxi, bus and metro is easily available. They have meters in the taxi and they charge you whatever is on the meter. Metro is very cheap as compared to taxi, but they are available in Dubai and not in other Emirates such as Sharjah or Ajman as far as I know. Bus is available everywhere in UAE. Buses also go from one emirate to another. So it is very easy and comfortable to travel through a bus. To travel from bus or metro, one needs to have a NOL card that is rechargeable and is easily available. And it is also in very reasonable price. And of course, personal cars of every type is available too. Fifth point is about language. It is a misconception that only Arabic language is spoken in UAE. No, it is not true. UAE is a very English-speaking place. People speak different languages over here, but mostly the communication is in English everywhere in UAE. The sixth point is about activities. There can be many things to do in UAE. It is a very lively place, especially its emirate Dubai. There are many places to visit and explore. UAE is well known for its amazing malls and other places such as Dubai Mall, Sahara Center, Mall of the Emirates, 06 Mall, Sharjah Zoo, Dubai Dolphinarium, Discovery Center, Dinosaur Park, beach, and many more places. It is a very recreational place. However, if you plan to visit any outdoor place, then I will recommend you to visit either in early morning or in the evening. It is because of the hot weather, especially in summer. Well, that's it for now. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.